Today's dish is Indonesian instant noodles, Ibumie Goreng. Original flavor. It is delicious and a favorite here in Malaysia. At the back of the packet, there is a simple, 4-step instruction and I'll demonstrate it for you. In each individual packet, there are 2 packets inside. First being the vegetable oil and soya sauce, and the other being seasoning powder and chili powder. But don't worry, it is not even spicy, but add flavor to the dish. Now, let's start. We would first need to boil about 3 cups of water. Once the water is boiled, we can then add in the noodles itself and let it boil for about 4 minutes or until the noodles is nice and soft. In the meantime, we can prepare the sauce first. So add in the vegetable oil and soya sauce on a plate and then mix it. Bringing this back to the noodles, once it's soft, drain out the water. And then add in the noodles to the seasoning sauce and mix everything well. Then, we can add in the seasoning powder and the chili powder in. Then, mix it. And for this dish, I like to have it with a bullseye egg, so I'm gonna whip it up real quick. And add this on top of the noodles and it becomes the perfect dish to eat with minimal effort. So this is Ibumie Goreng made at home. If you liked this video, do let me know down in the comments section.